Hi, this is Bhavin Surya from grade 3 Kongu. Newton's third law of motion is every push pushes back. I was amazed to know that rockets also use the same principle. Then I thought, why don't we use the same principle to move vehicles? Today I am going to do a simple experiment on Newton's third law of motion. For this experiment, I used a toy car, few rubber bands, a balloon and a pen barrel. First, I used one rubber band to tie the balloon to one end of the pen barrel, and I used some more rubber bands to attach it to the car, pen barrel to the car. Now, let's blow air to the balloon and release it on the ground, and let's see what happens. Now let's discuss what made the car move. The air was compressed in the balloon. When I released it, the air forcefully came out from the pen barrel this direction, and the car moved in the opposite direction of the air. According to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The action in this is the air forcefully coming out of the pen barrel, and the reaction is the car moving forward in the opposite direction of the air. Similarly, I also have a balloon floating in boat. This also works in the same principle. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you.